Welcome back, By Smart Fam. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning. We're putting the Gorfinti Steam Mop and the Shark Steam and Scrub head-to-head to see which one can turn your floors from yikes to wow without breaking a sweat. First up, let's talk about the price. Both the Gorfinti Steam Mop and the Shark Steam and Scrub are priced at $139, making them both budget-friendly options for those looking to upgrade their cleaning game. Reviewers have noted that the Gorfinti offers excellent value for its versatility and effectiveness, while the Shark is praised for its performance and innovative features, justifying the price tag. So whether you choose Gorfinti for its multifunctionality or Shark for its scrubbing power, your wallet will thank you. When it comes to functionality, the Gorfinti is like a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. It's a 10-in-1, multi-purpose handheld steam cleaner. Reviewers rave about its versatility and ease of use. Perfect for various surfaces from tiles to windows. On the other hand, the Shark Steam and Scrub is likened to a cleaning powerhouse, with over 150 scrubs per minute, ensuring a thorough clean. Many users have highlighted how the Shark makes cleaning feel effortless, especially for those recovering from surgery. So, if you want versatility, go for Gorfinti. If you want a dedicated scrubbing machine, Shark is your pick. Both mops come equipped with adjustable steam modes. The Gorfinti offers 3 levels for different cleaning needs, and reviewers appreciate how it caters to everything from daily cleaning to deep stains. The Shark also has 3 modes, and users love how it effectively tackles tough stains without harsh chemicals. This feature allows for a customizable cleaning experience, making both products suitable for various messes. Whether you need a light touch or a deep clean, both mops have you covered. Design and usability are key factors in choosing a steam mop. The Gorfinti is lightweight and flexible, making it easy to maneuver into tight corners, which many users find essential. Shark, on the other hand, features powerful LED headlights, allowing you to spot hidden dirt. Reviewers love the ease of use of both mops. Gorfinti for its ergonomic design and Shark for its swivel steering that makes cleaning around furniture a breeze. So if you value maneuverability, Gorfinti is your best bet, but for visibility and style, Shark takes the cake. Now, let's talk cleaning performance. The Gorfinti claims to eliminate 99.9% of stubborn stains using only steam, which many reviewers appreciate, especially pet owners. They highlight its effectiveness on various surfaces without needing chemicals. The Shark, however, promises up to 2x better stain removal compared to traditional mops, making it a favorite among those with heavy-duty cleaning needs. Users have reported excellent results on tough messes, making both mops reliable choices for cleaning enthusiasts. In summary, both the Gorfinti Steam Mop and the Shark Steam and Scrub have garnered positive feedback from users, highlighting their unique strengths. The Gorfinti is praised for its versatility and lightweight design, making it perfect for various cleaning tasks. Meanwhile, the Shark is celebrated for its powerful scrubbing capabilities and effective stain removal, ideal for those with significant cleaning challenges. Both products deliver on their promises, providing users with cleaner homes and less hassle. So which mop takes the crown? If you want versatility and a handheld option, you might lean towards the Gorfinti. But if you need a heavy-duty scrubbing machine that's going to make your floors shine, the Shark Steam and Scrub is your best bet. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more product comparisons, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd pick for your cleaning adventures. Product links are in the description.